Materials required: 2 thermocol glasses, colored chart papers, brush, scissors, adhesive, brown fabric color. First, apply some adhesive on the mouth of the 2 thermocol glasses and simply paste them together. Now, paint the joint glasses using a brown fabric paint, leaving the white border on the outer edges of the glasses. Remember not to dilute the fabric color with any amount of water, because then the finishing might not be so good. Next, use scissors to cut out long strips and 4 circular pieces of chart papers. Apply adhesive to paste these long strips of chart paper lengthwise across the glasses, just like we do here. Use scissors to cut out the extra part of the strips that may project beyond the edges of the glasses. Next, apply some adhesive and paste the rounded pieces on the 2 sides of your dholak to complete its look. And see, thermocol glasses can be beautifully turned into a decorative dholak.